In the intricate tapestry of international relations, diplomatic agents play a crucial role as representatives of their respective states. They are the key actors responsible for fostering understanding, cooperation, and peaceful coexistence among nations. This essay delves into the multifaceted world of diplomatic agents, examining their roles, responsibilities, and the legal frameworks that govern their conduct. Diplomatic agents serve as vital links between states, facilitating communication, negotiation, and the implementation of agreements. They act as the eyes, ears, and voice of their governments abroad, gathering information, conveying their country's positions, and building relationships with foreign counterparts. Their work is essential for promoting national interests, resolving disputes, and advancing global peace and security. Through diplomacy, countries can engage in dialogue, find common ground, and address shared challenges. Diplomatic agents are at the forefront of these efforts, working tirelessly to bridge cultural divides, promote mutual understanding, and build bridges of cooperation. Their ability to navigate complex political landscapes, negotiate effectively, and represent their countries with integrity is paramount to the success of international relations. In an increasingly interconnected world, the role of diplomatic agents has become even more critical. As globalization intensifies and transnational issues such as climate change, terrorism, and pandemics transcend national borders, effective diplomacy is essential for finding collective solutions. Diplomatic agents, with their specialized knowledge, diplomatic skills, and ability to build consensus, are indispensable in addressing these global challenges. The concept of diplomatic immunity has a long and storied history, dating back to ancient civilizations. In ancient India, Greece, and Rome, envoys were considered sacrosanct, enjoying protection and immunity from harm. This recognition stemmed from the understanding that messengers of peace should not be subjected to intimidation or violence. Over the centuries, the practice of granting privileges and immunities to diplomats evolved, codified in customary international law. The Peace of Westphalia in 1648, marking the end of the 30 Years' War, further solidified the principle of diplomatic immunity, recognizing the need for diplomats to operate freely and without fear of reprisal. During the 18th and 19th centuries, the rise of nation-states and the increasing complexity of international relations led to a more formalized system of diplomatic representation. Bilateral treaties and agreements established rules and protocols for diplomatic intercourse, including provisions on immunity and privileges. The 20th century witnessed significant developments in diplomatic law, culminating in the adoption of the Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations in 1961. This landmark treaty, ratified by nearly every country in the world, provides a comprehensive framework for diplomatic relations, including detailed provisions on diplomatic privileges and immunities. The Vienna Convention codified existing customary law and established a universal standard for the protection of diplomats, ensuring their safety and independence in carrying out their duties. Diplomatic agents shoulder a wide range of responsibilities in their role as representatives of their states. They are tasked with promoting friendly relations, advancing their country's interests, and protecting their nationals abroad. These responsibilities encompass political, economic, cultural, and consular affairs. One of the primary functions of diplomatic agents is to engage in diplomatic negotiations with their host countries. This involves representing their government's positions, exploring areas of agreement, and working towards mutually beneficial outcomes. Whether it's negotiating trade deals, resolving disputes, or addressing global challenges, diplomatic agents play a crucial role in shaping international agreements and fostering cooperation. Diplomatic agents also play a vital role in promoting cultural exchange and understanding between their home country and the host nation. They organize cultural events, facilitate educational exchanges, and promote people-to-people contacts to foster goodwill and appreciation for each other's cultures. By building bridges of understanding, diplomatic agents contribute to a more harmonious and interconnected world. Furthermore, diplomatic agents have a responsibility to protect the interests of their nationals abroad. They provide consular services, such as issuing passports and visas, assisting citizens in distress, and advocating for their rights and well-being. Consular officials, who are part of the diplomatic mission, play a crucial role in ensuring the safety and welfare of their compatriots traveling, working, or residing in the host country. The Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations, adopted in 1961, stands as the cornerstone of modern diplomatic law. This comprehensive treaty provides a universally recognized framework for the establishment and conduct of diplomatic relations between states. Its provisions cover a wide range of issues, from the establishment of diplomatic missions to the privileges and immunities enjoyed by diplomats and their families. At the heart of the Vienna Convention is the principle of diplomatic immunity. This fundamental principle recognizes that diplomats require special protection and privileges to perform their duties effectively and without interference. Diplomatic immunity ensures that diplomats can carry out their functions freely, without fear of harassment, intimidation, or arrest by the host country. The Vienna Convention grants diplomatic agents immunity from the criminal, civil, and administrative jurisdiction of the host country. This means that they cannot be arrested, detained, or prosecuted for any offenses they may commit, regardless of their severity. However, it's important to note that immunity is not impunity. Diplomats are still expected to respect the laws and regulations of the host country, and to behave in a manner that does not prejudice its interests. In addition to immunity from jurisdiction, diplomatic agents enjoy various other privileges and immunities such as inviolability of their person, residence, and property. Their residences and diplomatic bags are protected from search or seizure, and their official correspondence is confidential and cannot be intercepted. These privileges are designed to ensure that diplomats can perform their duties without hindrance, and that their communication channels remain secure.